Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, this coin the past 2 weeks have started to regain, have started to rise gradually. Now, Tectonic token total supply is 500 trillion coins, right? With this number of coins, it will be difficult to see Tonic Classic at the top. Now, with 500 trillion coins, it simply means they need to burn a lot of Tonic Classic coin. Currently, the circulating supply of Tectonic token is about 185 trillion Tonic coins. Okay, that is the circulating supply. So with these statistics, it means we have about 315 trillion coins. That the remaining supply of Tectonic token now is to be about 315 trillion coins of Tectonic token. Now, for me, if you ask me, Tonic need to burn or destroy 50% of the remaining supply. Let's assume if the developers come together to say, look, we have 185 trillion coins as circulating supply, and we still have about 315 trillion coins has a remaining supply. What do you think we do? Let's burn half of this remaining supply. And if they can come up with this idea by burning half of the remaining supply, I believe it will really help Tectonic token to really gain a lot. Now, burning half of the remaining supply, we see Tectonic token burning 157.5 trillion coins of Tonic. Okay, that is if they decide to come together, because right now the current, at the time of recording this, the current circulating supply of Tectonic token is 185 trillion coins, and this coin have a total of 500 trillion coins that are there. 500 trillion coin has a supply, and with the number of developers what they are holding, because the top holders of Tectonic token are actually mostly those that founded this coin. Okay, the top holders, and even not just Tectonic token, in most coins. So if they decide to burn some of their holding, or they decide to say, look, let's burn the remaining supply of Tectonic token, Tectonic token might record over 157.5 trillion. And if they don't want to follow this option, I think they need to follow the second option, which I think it will also help Tectonic token to gain a lot. That is, let the top holders of Tectonic token burn 10% of their holding. It will still help Tectonic token to reduce the supply they have. It will help Tectonic token to massively reduce, the coins. And with this reduction, it will help Tectonic token to really increase in price and increase in market cap to gain attention that they need. But with such supply, it will be difficult to attract buyers. It will be difficult to attract top industries to invest on Tectonic tokens. So for me, I think yes, if we can remove 157.5 trillion coins out of Tectonic token supply, if you can burn this, it will help Tectonic token to really gain a lot. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.